Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by unlocking the phone and making sure it has at least minimal power. Low battery can interrupt changes. Open Settings or long press the home screen to jump directly to wallpaper options. Once there, tap Wallpaper or Display to view current choices. You do this first to access system-managed and app-managed wallpapers. Make sure you have the image ready in Photos or Files so the next steps go quickly and you don't search mid-process. You now select your new lock screen image. Pick System, Gallery, or Photos depending where the picture lives. Tap the image, then use pinch and drag to crop. This ensures the focal point appears correctly behind notifications. Once satisfied, tap Next or Set, and pick Set for lock screen only if you don't want the home screen changed. You do this to keep home and lock distinct. Finally, confirm the choice so Android applies the wallpaper immediately. You finish by locking the phone and checking the new lock screen wallpaper. Visually confirm the crop and visibility of icons. If it doesn't appear, restart the device first because a reboot often clears transient glitches. If restarting fails, clear the cache for your launcher or the Photos/Gallery app and try setting the wallpaper again. Make sure to use a supported file type, JPEG, PNG, and reasonable resolution. Very large files can fail to apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.